welcome to EasyLearn. In this session I'm going to tell you how to create a EC2 instance. So for that we required AWS Management Console. So we can create a free tier AWS Management Console login. Okay, so first we need to create that account. After that we need to log in and so we need to go to the EC2 instance. Like here already I'm in EC2 instance dashboard. Okay, so for that we need to click on EC2 instance. So after that we need to click on launch instance. So there are 7 steps will be there to create an EC2 instance. We will check one by one. So first we need to select AMI. So here we have different types of AMIs. So these AMIs have a configuration, software configuration, either a template of the software. Okay, so here we have different types of AMIs, right? We can select based on our project. So now I'm selecting Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Okay, so after that we need to choose instance type. Here we have different types of instance types based on the project. We need to select it. Here different families we have, like T2 Nano, T2 Micro, T2 Medium. Different types of instance types are there. So we can select anything. As of now I'm selecting T2 Micro. Okay, so click on next instance configuration. So after that we need to click on configure instance. Here we can select how many instance, number of instance we required, and also we can create our customized VPC here. Either we can mention default one. If you want to mention specified availabilities one also we can mention here. And apart from this we will discuss these on later sessions. Okay, so next we need to click on next, add storage. So here we can add in based on our requirement. We can add n number of size here. Here I can the minimum size is 8 GB. We can mention anything here. So I'm click on next add tags. Here we can give a tag name to an EC2 instance. So why this we need to give a tag name to an EC2 instance is we can easily find out which instance is for, and also the details of this instance we can easily get through this. So I'm giving for this instance is test. Okay, so next we need to click on configure security group. Here we can create our own security group, like new security group. Either we can select existed one. So I'm creating new security group. Here we need to give the name to the security group. Here I'm giving as test SU. I'm just giving this name. Okay, we can give whatever it is required. And SH protocol, we should open this protocol and we can add other protocols. All I'm allowing all traffic and for anywhere. Okay, and click on review and launch. And we can review here. If you want to make any changes, then we can change. You can go back and change. Either we can launch this instance. So to launch an instance we required a key pair. Why? Because we need to access the EC2 instance, right? For that we required a key pair. So I'm creating a new instance, a new key pair here. So I'm mentioning it is test and download the key pair. Then only the launch instance will be highlighted. Okay, so we need to click on launch instance. So on launch instance, after that click on view instance. So in few minutes the instance will be running status. Okay, refresh some while. Here see, so we selected we given name to the test for this instance. This is the instance ID and it is running stage, but this status check should be 2 by 2 check passes should be reflect here, then only the instance will work effectively. And here we didn't specify any availability zone, that's why it's coming like this. We can specify any availability zone here. And here I selected security group is a security group only. Okay, so now the instance is launched successfully. So it is in initial stage. So let's try to connect to the instance. It will take little time. Okay, so we can connect to the instance 3 ways. So one is with the console and like with Amazon console, and one more is with the putty, and one more is with like Windows 10. Okay, you can easily connect to the instance. Now I'm clicking on connect. It's about to, yeah, it's done. So we launched Linux, right? So it is launched. So now we successfully connect to the EC2 instance. This is how we create EC2 instance. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.